Too much work, not enough team. Meet Robot, one AI workbench for your whole business. Turn noise into decisions. Research that took days, done in minutes. Less admin, more momentum. Draft, plan, create, deliver. And the work keeps moving, even when you don't. It can act. You stay in control. Change models. Keep your workspace. Choose the intelligence that fits the job. Open source, local first, built for what comes next. Robot, personal AI sovereignty.